Only reason I'm wearing this hat is because look how crazy my hair is. But this hat actually smells like campfire, so I'm definitely gonna wash it like right after this. Anyways, what's up? Thanks for hopping on this video. That means a lot to me. Today's video, I just have a short, like 4-minute video of me going out in Kansas City, shooting some portraits with Jaden. Not tomorrow, but the day after tomorrow, which is a Wednesday. I'm uploading this on a Monday. I'm going to a movie theater to do some more portraits, of course. And I'm gonna be using this 35mm that I just picked up. So I'll be filming that as well. It'll be a little POV video just like this one. But I'll also be doing a review on this 35. It's the cheaper one. Oh my god, I just took my shoes off and my feet stink. Anyways, my camera cut off like as soon as I said my feet stink, so that was funny. Anyways, short video today, POV portraits in Kansas City. And then hopefully within the next couple of weeks I'll have another video shooting in the movie theater reviewing this. So let's jump into the video. Oh, this is cool. Yeah, now kind of like put them on. Yeah. Okay, let's keep going up. Kind of angle actually. Yeah. And then look at me. Yeah, and then pause there. Kind of lower them a little bit. Cool. Now let's kind of like get you going like this, big steps down. Oh no. And kind of like looking right past me here. Ready, go. Yeah, go. Oh man, it's hard to walk in and do this. Ooh, this is cool. Okay, now turn to your side. Like this. Yeah. Let's switch. Play this way. And we might use the glasses for this. Okay, if this makes sense. Still, maybe come like this. Yeah. Okay, keep playing with your hair though. Ooh, this is cool. Let's scoot back a little bit. The wind is at our advantage now, kind of. I just love the look of like green grass. This grass is so nice, dude. Here, let's see. Maybe lay back again, and then kind of have like your shades on. Ooh, this is cool. Here, I'll let you kind of do whatever. Bring them down just a little bit. Stay there. Oh my god. Oh man. Woohoo! We got some cool ones. Gang! Good shoot, boys. This place is so cool. And they got the jams apparently. About to hop this thing right now. Oh yeah, parkour.